Welcome to Creative Ramblings. Today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY flannel board. It's a full tutorial with free templates to make your own. For the flannel board, grab a piece of cardboard. You're going to cover it with blue flannel. This is a yard of flannel I picked up at the fabric store. And I'm going to trim it to be just a few inches larger than my piece of cardboard. Then using a hot glue gun, secure the flannel to the back of the cardboard. Be sure to pull it taut around all the edges to get a nice, tight finish. Now that your board is complete, it's time to hang it on the wall. I like using these 3M picture hanging hooks to put most things on the wall, including something lightweight like this. It doesn't leave any damage on my wall and allows me to move the board if I ever want to. Now that the board is up, it's time to make some felt shapes to put in our aquarium. These templates for all the aquarium pieces using the link in the description of this video. You're also going to need a scissors, some felt, your paper, an iron, and a Sharpie. Go ahead and print those aquarium templates off on regular printer paper. Then grab a piece of freezer paper. Now freezer paper has two sides. There is a shiny side and a dull side. Put the freezer paper shiny side down over one of your templates and trace it with a Sharpie. You can repeat this process for any of the aquarium pieces you want to use. Freezer paper is going to act as a stabilizer on your fabric, allowing you to cut through your fabric without leaving jagged edges and without having any black marker on your felt. To do this, you're going to adhere the freezer paper to your felt with an iron. You place the freezer paper shiny side down onto the felt and go over it with a warm iron for a few seconds. It's going to leave a nice, firm, but temporary hold. Then go ahead and cut your pieces out. Again, repeating this process for any of the aquarium pieces you want to use on your flannel board. Once you have it cut off or cut out, the freezer paper peels off without leaving any residue behind. Some of the aquarium pieces in this set of templates you can do in multiple colors, like this white and yellow fish. Add a little googly eye for some extra fun. Once all the pieces are cut out and you've assembled the fish and the whale, it's time to start having fun. Putting this board together is now best left to little hands. This is a great project for kids to play with. They can do it over and over again. And you can cut out different templates for different seasons or holidays. Now, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Creative Ramblings for more simple, inspiring projects. There's a link in the description where you can download these templates and make your own flannel board aquarium at home. Thanks for watching.